Isaiah 43, 2. When thou passest through the waters, I will be with thee, and through the rivers, they shall not overflow thee. When thou walkest through the fire, thou shalt not be burned, neither shall the flame kindle upon thee. This verse reminds us that God doesn't promise a life without storms. He promises His presence in the middle of them. When you walk through deep waters or face the fire, you're not alone, and you will not be destroyed, because the Lord Himself is walking with you and is near. Every trial becomes proof not of your weakness, but of His faithfulness to carry you through.